The lipstick has a colorful history that traces back to the early civilizations when men and women colored their lips both for aesthetic and medicinal purposes. The Sumerian civilization was the first to put on lipsticks. They made from substances of fruits, henna, clay rust, and insects. Mesopotamian women, on the other hand, colored and shimmered their lips with ground precious jewels. Lipsticks with cream in them are excellent for women who have small lips. They are not shiny, but they are rather smooth and produce a more even look. If you like, you can use lip gloss over the lipstick for a great look, because cream lipsticks contain more wax than other types of lipsticks, which protects the lips from drying out. They are also a very healthy type of lipstick. This is a very popular type of lipstick for women who have small and thin lips because gloss lipsticks give your lips a little shine and make them look a little bigger. If you like, you can use regular lipstick underneath the lip gloss, which gives you the perfect mix of color and shine. Lipstick stains concentrate on color with only minimal shine, and they are always long-lasting. These types of lipsticks are low maintenance and high impact, and they are available in dozens of colors and shades. Usually packaged in the form of a pencil, lipstick stains look great when they are layered with different colors, or you can simply go with a nude color if you want a look that is subtle and soft. They are very simple to apply, and, in fact, they are a lot of fun to apply and to wear. If you work long hours or attend parties and don't feel like reapplying your lipstick throughout the day or night, a long-wearing lipstick is something that you might like. Most of these lipsticks are meant to stay on your lips for 4 to 8 hours, sometimes more, although some of them have to be reapplied if you eat something oily or greasy. Moreover, some of them even add moisturizer so that your lips don't get dry while you're wearing them. Some women simply don't like the shiny lipsticks available today, which is why so many matte colors are now available. Instead of shine, you get a flat look when you apply the lipstick. But they still come in dozens of beautiful and colorful shades. Matte lipsticks make your lips look smoother and younger, and if you use lipsticks that have vitamin E and or aloe in them, they can protect your lips as well. You can use moisturizing lipstick whether your lips are already dry or you are trying to prevent them from getting that way. With ingredients such as aloe, glycerin, and vitamin E, these lipsticks are specifically made to keep your lips not only moisturized but also smooth and soft. They can also make your lips shiny and give them a wet look, making them more attractive as well as healthier. This type of lipstick makes your lips glisten and sparkle. They reflect light and give your lips a very shiny effect. The only negative aspect of pearl or frosted lipsticks is that some of them can cause your lips to feel dry, heavy, or even cracked, which is one of the reasons that it is recommended that you moisturize your lips before you use this type of lipstick. Sheer and satin lipsticks are another choice when your lips are getting dry because they both nourish and moisturize your lips, as well as make them glossy and shiny. These lipsticks have a lot of oils in them, so they may appear lighter when you put them on than they looked in the package. High oil lipsticks should also be reapplied throughout the day for the best effect. The sheer satin look is also perfect for evening events because it tends to produce a look that is on the glamorous side. Lipstick cream. Lipstick creams usually come in containers that have more than one shade of lipstick in them, and the lipstick is soft, wet, and usually comes in a round or square shape. Although most of these lipstick containers come with applicators, most women apply them with their fingers because it is faster and more convenient. Lipstick creams are easy to apply and feel good on your lips, and they tend to be inexpensive as well. Just as the name suggests, these lipsticks come in the form of a pencil, which makes them extremely easy to apply. They usually come with a pointed tip, making it easy to apply the lipstick to every part of your lips. There are no missing spots on your lips with this type of lipstick because the pointed tip makes applying the color to your entire lips a very easy thing to do. You can also buy pencil sharpeners. They keep the tip pointed for a very long time, and these sharpeners cost very little money. These are standard lipsticks that most people think of when they go out to buy lipstick. They have tops, and you turn the cartridge to get the lipstick to the right level. They are inexpensive and come in hundreds of styles, types, and colors, and you can even buy these tubes in lip gloss and moisturizers that have a white or nude color. The most common type of lipstick applicator. These tubes are inexpensive and easy to use. Liquid lipstick is usually inside some type of thin tube, and there is a sponge-like tip that makes it easy to apply the lipstick. There are also types of liquid lipstick that you can squeeze onto your lips directly from the tip of the container. In both cases, the lipstick feels wet against your lips, is very easy to apply, and usually contains a moisturizer so that your lips don't dry out. Liquid lipstick is often some type of gloss, but it can be found in various colors and shades as well. Thank you everyone for watching us till the end. It would be a great pleasure for us if you are a little helped with this video. Comment us below.